Hey, friends and kindergartners, it's me again, Mrs. Calise, ready for another week of calendar. Believe it or not, today is Monday, and the month, it's still April, but it's not going to be April for very much longer. In fact, today is already Monday. I'm checking my calendar because I want to make sure. It is Monday, April 27th. This month is flying by. So go ahead and say today is Monday, April 27th, and the year is still 2020. When I go to build the number 27, I need two groups of 10 plus I need 7 little ones cubes. Maybe a careful counter. 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what the number 27 is. Two groups of 10 and 7 ones. And it's Monday, April 27th. Question of the day. You guys read the sight words with me. Monday's question of the day. What did you do this weekend? You guys can write about it or tell someone in your family. What I did this weekend, I went with my family. We went up north and we went and played in a creek for a little bit. So we had a picnic and just enjoyed being in the woods just for a little bit, and we really enjoyed it. I wonder what you guys did. All right. Oh, if you don't know, this is Peppa Pig. And Peppa Pig, she is hiding my list 6 sight words reviews today. So let's go ahead. Peppa, first, what word does Peppa have? Other. Daddy Pig. About. Mommy Pig. These. Oh, George. Many. Emily Elephant. Then. And Rebecca Rabbit. Will. If there are any of these words that you do not know, write them down on a piece of paper, practice them, look for them in books. These are from list 6. So you might be thinking, well, I'm only on list 3. That's okay. It won't hurt you to learn new words ahead of time. And they are going to be in lots of books that you will read. So once again, there's other, about, these, many, then, and will. All right, we've been working so much on geometry the last couple weeks that we're going to go back and review something that we did a long time ago, making combinations of numbers. Now, I bet you're thinking, oh, Mrs. Clace, I'm an expert at making combinations of 10 or making combinations of 5. We spent a lot of time in kindergarten on those 2 numbers, but you can make combinations of any number. And we are going to go back and review the number 6. Now, I have, if you remember in our kindergarten classrooms, we have tools called Unifix cubes. If you don't have Unifix cubes, you could use Legos, you could use different colored pieces of paper, but I want to show you how I can use color to show combinations. So if I'm making the number 6, I can do 1 orange and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 5 makes 6. You also could use food for this. So maybe how much fruit do you want? Mom says I can have 6 pieces of fruit. Maybe you want 1 orange slice and 5 purple grapes. That would make 6. Here's another combination. 2 orange and 4 purple. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 4 is another way to make 6. 3 and 3 is another one. We call this a double. Double the trouble. Now, it's actually really nice. Your brain likes doubles. When you see 3 and 3, you probably already thought, oh, that's 6. It is, and it's another way to make a combination. And it doesn't matter where I put the cubes because the amount is the same. I still have 3 orange and 3 purple, and that makes 6. When you can print out this worksheet, you can try to make all the combinations by coloring them or by using objects in your house. If you can't print out the worksheet, just try to make the different combinations and see how many you can create. Over here, you also can use it by coloring objects. So they have these 6 vans. There's our double again, 3 and 3. But if I wanted to color these cans, I could color some of them orange and some of them purple. Just keep going with those colors. So here is orange. I can color some of my cans orange, and then I can color some of them purple. And it's important to label what I have just written. So how many cans did I color that are orange? Yeah, 4. And how many cans did I color that are purple? That's right, 2. And 4 and 2 is another way to make 6. Now, if you've been practicing your addition and subtraction with Miss Trent or at home, another way to say this is 4 plus 2 equals 6. So you can make an addition equation for that, or you can just write the combination. Here's one more. It's a bonus one. What if I wanted to make the number 7? I could color again. Here's some that are purple. And let me get some that are orange. If I was making the combination of 7, and I colored some purple and I colored some orange, what's my combination? That's right. I have 5 purple and 2 orange. It's good to work on combinations because memorizing math facts will be great in first grade. But you also want to understand how numbers work. And numbers are made up of combinations of all kinds of things. So practice this at home. Like I said, pull out your Legos or pull out some pieces of paper that are different colors. You could use cereal to make combinations and see how many combinations of 6 that you can make. And if you get really good at 6, move on to 7. If you remember too, we have that one game where we get 6 things and we hide them behind our hand. Let me demonstrate really quickly before we go today. Now you can see my hand, but I'm going to copy, let's see. Let's say this is my hand. And let's say I have 6 cubes over here. All right, I'm going to hide some behind my hand. So close your eyes. Don't peek. You're still looking. Put your eyes closed. I'll tell you when to open them. Not yet. Okay, open your eyes. All right, so here I have, remember I had 6 cubes I started with. Here are 2 cubes that are out. So knowing what you know about combinations of 6, how many am I hiding under my hand? I'll give you a second to think. All right, let's see. I was hiding 1, 2, 3, 4. If you knew that there were 4 hiding in my hand, go ahead and give yourself sign language cheers. This is a great game to play. And all you need are objects and your hands. So it's really easy. We're going to be working on combinations of different numbers all week this week. I hope you have a great rest of your Monday, and I'll talk to you soon.